Headed out to a quiet bit of woodland I know, where there's no dog walkers, an hour before sunset, with my cat. Getting used to pheasants, so. Yep, looks the other way every time. Ooh, action. Hey, come on. I helped her down from the tree and she had some supper in the tent. And then she seemed to settle down quite nicely. Settle in. Usual Dutch courage. Anika just went outside suddenly. She had been curled up next to me, but two owls were the loudest owls ever. And then, for some other reason, I think, she then went outside and went up the tree. First I thought she was going out because she heard a mouse, so, come on, do a bit of hunting. But then you just sat in the tree, didn't you? Come in and just, I think she's had enough. So I think we've been here for a couple of hours and we're going to head back to the car. Should be just a 10-minute walk. And also you think, oh, there's nothing here, it's silence. There's loads of aeroplanes. And between the airplanes, there's a constant noise. It's like I can do the note. Yeah, it's that. There's a farm machine? There's no farm machinery in this wood, so that noise must be something from carrying, the sound will be carrying. Oh my word, why can't I just be chill and not demand total, I'd love to know what it's like, total silence. Living in the southeast, you don't get that at all, do you? Do you, Nikki? There she is, good as gold. Just a little bit. She's looking around, following wherever my torch shines. See if she does it here. Yeah, and she's looking that way. Anika, you're supposed to be able to see in the dark. So she's kind of, ooh, what's up there? What's over there? Because it's pitch black without the torch. And she can't see in the dark, I suppose. But without a bit of help, they need light to reflect. And well, she's used to the town with all the street lights. So she's like, what? Ooh. Oh dear, Nika. We'll be home soon. Me? Hey, what do you think? You're keen to get back to the car? So she's keen.